Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your QuickBooks file, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening QuickBooks on your computer. Ensure you have a backup of your current QuickBooks file before proceeding. To back up your file, go to the File menu. Select Backup Company and then choose Create Local Backup. Follow the prompts to save the backup file on your computer. Once the backup is complete, close QuickBooks. Next, reopen QuickBooks, but do not open your company file yet. Select the File menu again. This time, click on Utilities. From the drop-down menu, choose Condense Data. A window will appear, guiding you. Follow the instructions provided to condense your file. Confirm that you want to proceed with the data condensing. Once the condensing is finished, close QuickBooks once more. Now, open QuickBooks again, but this time select your company file. Review your company file to ensure everything is working properly. If issues persist, consider restoring your company file from the backup. Go back to the File menu. Select Open or Restore Company. Choose Restore a Backup Copy. Follow the prompts to locate your backup file and restore it. Finally, verify that your company file has successfully reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.